this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to go and show you a possible solution to fix your phone stuck in the headphone only mode. And then you can try using like a Q-tip and just place this into the headphone jack right here and just try to clean anything out from inside. Also with your Q-tip, go ahead and just take the con off the top right here and just have your Q-tip kind of look like this. And it will fit much easier into the headphone jack area now. So I have most of the cotton right here. I'm just put that to the side and then I can stick it in here and it'll go in all the way now. And I'm able to clean out all the dirt and extra debris in here now. Also, what you want to do is go to your phone and bring up like YouTube and just play some music or a video from here so you can actually hear the sound. So I'm going to play this video right here and turn up the sound. So if it starts working when you're doing this, you'll know right away. Because now, if that's not getting in far enough, what you could do is try cutting the end off of here. So let's do this. Then just place in here. So don't be too aggressive with it. Just push everything down from the side. Just wiggle it around back and forth. And then take that out. Now you could also use like this little tool that came with your phone. Or maybe like a paper clip. You can place this in here. And just see if anything is kind of like dislodged or something in there, or maybe something stuck in there. I wouldn't recommend using a toothpick just like this, because this could break off inside of it. So just a heads up, if you are using like a toothpick, this breaks rather easy. Another thing you can try is just tapping your phone right where the headphone jack is. Also, try restarting your phone after doing this just to see if that works. So on my phone, I have to hold down the power button and the volume up key to get the power options, and I can go to restart. Well, hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.